morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, please, we'd like to know your name and you can go ahead to share your beautiful experience with us after using the BS Company Quantum Healing Machine.
Yeah, I am Mr. Abuarafel. I live in Greater, but I'm indigenous of Prostate Enlargement government area. Well, my experience, when I came here, I was having multiple issues. Having chest pain, backache, difficulty in breathing, ribs, I have tummy pain and the rest of other things, general pains. So, quantum healing machine has been wonderful. It is a wonderful equipment. As I'm talking to you now, I'm sound. Very, very sound.
So, what do you advise those people out there, like the stomach pain, the chest pain, the different problems you were having? What do you advise people out there from your own experience after using the quantum healing machine? Is it possible to be treated and get okay just using the quantum healing machine?
I would say yes, because all these problems are over. So I would advise the general public who have had any information about BS company should come over. If you have any issue, you should come over to BS company. The problem will be over.
What would you have to say about the prostate?
Prostate, after I went for the test, I ran the test, it was okay. It was marvelous, very wonderful.
Okay, so do you now believe that the quantum healing machine has the ability to treat prostate enlargement without drugs?
Yes, without hesitation, yes.
How long were you able to use the machine, sir?
I was able to use this machine for 2 weeks.
For 2 weeks.
For 2 weeks.
And your prostate became normal.
Normal.
The pains in your stomach, that's the
heartburn,
and the ribs, the cold that was there, the difficulty in breathing, everything has cleared.
Gone.
We are so happy to have this beautiful experience with you, and we hope you bring more people to also testify, you've done today.
I will do it.
All right,
and
sir.
I appreciate BS Company for a wonderful job.
And now your PSA is currently reading 1.4. That's beautiful. Thank you, sir.
God bless you, ma'am.